back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my Myntra sale haul, and there was a sale going on Myntra, that is the end of season sale, and I picked up a few t-shirts. All of these are like basic or nightwear t-shirts, so I really wanted to share this with you guys because all of these are really affordable and obviously easily available on Myntra. So before going into the video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell right next to it. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, without any further talking, let's get into the video. So basically the first t-shirt is what I'm wearing right now. This is a white colored t-shirt and this is from a brand called Maston Harbour. It is kind of like a crop top, but the height is pretty good, I guess. This is not sheer, and also the stuff is really like comfortable and very soft, so you can easily wear it in summers. So this was initially for rupees 599, but discount ke baad this was for 389, which is a good deal because it's really nice and comfortable and iski height bhi theek hai. Also, I got a black one in this. It's the same company and the same product, just in a different color. So this is the one that I'm talking about. ये इस वाले same t-shirt में ही black color है, and it's a pretty nice t-shirt. इसका भी stuff obviously same है. This was for even cheaper, like 364. So yeah, I got these two from Maston Harbour. I think I got a pretty good deal. These t-shirts are really nice and I think they will last a very long time. And basic t-shirts like these never go out of fashion. They are so versatile. You can just style it with anything and everything. The third one that I have is also from Maston Harbour. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you must have seen this t-shirt in one of my makeup looks. This is the one that I'm talking about. It has this white and kind of reddish orange stripes. Again, the quality of this one is amazing, and this is again a basic t-shirt जो कि आप किसी के साथ भी style कर सकते हो. And if you guys are wondering, I got all the Maston Harbour t-shirts in the size S, and now I will just tell you the pricing of it. So this was for rupees 299. Oh my god, this is such a good deal. Like a t-shirt for 299 is so amazing, and iski quality bhi itni achhi hai. So I'm really satisfied with all of the 3 t-shirts that I got from Maston Harbour. So the next 2 t-shirts that I have are my mother's. I picked these up for her because she wanted like some comfy clothes to wear at home or maybe at night. So this is the first one. This is like a very loose t-shirt, and इसमें यहाँ पे एक ऐसा pocket वाला detail है, and this is in the size large because she wanted it to be really loose and comfortable. So I got this for her in the size L. इसकी length भी काफी अच्छी है. The stuff is again really nice and comfortable. It's airy but it's not sheer. If you know what I mean, it's really nice and soft and feels thin, but like it's not sheer at all. So the second t-shirt of the pair is this one. So this still has a tag, मतलब उन्होंने अभी तक ये पहना नहीं है. So this is again in the size L. This is like a mustard t-shirt with this white kind of like it's printed on it, but it's like not too thick that it will make you uncomfortable or make the shirt stiff or anything. Again, the material is thin and airy but not sheer, so that's a good thing, and it's very soft and comfortable to wear. If you guys want to pick up something really nice and comfortable, these are a great choice to go for because these are really nice and comfortable रात को पहनने के लिए और just घर में पहनने के लिए. And because आजकल everybody is home and working from home, so we all need something good to wear at home. So this pair of t-shirt I got for rupees 440, and that means rupees 220 each t-shirt. Like, that is really great. For that price, these are wonderful. And if you want to buy something to wear at home, nice and airy, so think no more, go to Myntra and you can buy this. मैं सबके links नीचे description box में दे दूँगी so that you can go ahead and buy it. So I got another pair of these t-shirts for me and my sister. So these are the two that I got. One is again like a mustard t-shirt with a pocket detail, same as the grey one. And the second one is this one. This is a bit different. This is like grey in color with this neon orange kind of print. So again, इनका जो material है वो बहुत ही thin and airy है, so it's comfortable for you to wear at home. So if you want to buy any of these, मैं description box में सारे links दे दूँगी, so you can easily go and buy them. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. And again, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment in the comment section below what you felt about this video. Also, if you guys have any queries or suggestions, you can give it in the comment section below. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.